Looking to move but not sure how to move your furniture from point A to point B? Well, guess what? We've got the solution. Uncensored, together with Drop It, which is a furniture removal company, have partnered up to bring you an exciting opportunity where you can win a free move.
Whoa, that's really an exciting opportunity, Bratamza. So just a little bit of background on Drop It. So Drop It is a reputable furniture moving company here in Africa, and their services include the following:
goods in transit insurance, a trained driver to transport your goods from point A to point B, fixed and guaranteed prices. You can also track your goods on long-distance trips.
Now here's another exciting opportunity.
Stand a chance to win one of 3 local moves. To win, simply comment your pickup and drop-off area in the comments section below. But that's not all. You can also stand a chance to win 2 nights away with 2 people in Northwest Brits, including a boat ride for 2 hours. To enter, you will need to refer as many people as you can to the Drop It Facebook page, and the people that you have referred will then need to comment your name in the comments section below and also like the page. However, the winner will only qualify if they are also following the page.
So then this begs the question, why Drop It? Simple, because they drop everything that they are doing to come help you with your move.
Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I trust that you're good. Welcome to another episode. Welcome to Uncensored _ the truth about money. I'm your host, Kaya Junior Masango, and I'm with our residential guest. But you know those
forever a guest.
You know those visitors that don't want to leave.
I'm forever a guest, a permanent guest.
Those visitors that build the room outside, I'm like, Hamzala.
Angihamba manje. Ngifuna ukwakha nje. Angifuna ukushiya the way ngithole ngakhona.
But Hamza, how are you, man?
Man, I'm good, man.
I'm good to have you back on the show, bro.
No. It's good to always be here, man. We're always learning. It's nice to learn.
Nah.
Yeah, no, our minds work when you're here.
Right? And it's nice. We're learning about money.
About money, boss. So we're going to have money one day. Yeah?
Nah.
Yeah, maybe we have money.
No, we do have money. I believe we do have money. So let's talk about something that we hear it almost on a daily basis, right? But we never get to do it. Right? We everywhere you go, you hear this word. Everywhere you turn, you go to the bank, you speak to a financial advisor, you hear this word. When you think about it, it's like, man, this thing is easy, I'll do it month end. But we never do.
Yeah.
Which is budgeting.
Yeah.
A budget.
The B word.
A budget. The B word. So just like briefly, what is a budget?
You know, like when you said everyone wants to do it, but we don't do it. And I'm guilty of that as well myself. You know, we talk about these things, but people think, we've got everything under wraps. You know, so basically a budget is a roadmap of your finances, literally tracking your income and expenditure in real terms, and also projecting like the future, how things will be, you know, solely based on your income. So basically that's what a budget is. And yeah, we covered it in the previous episodes where you can actually categorize it in 50, 30, 20. But, you know, as we keep going, we'll learn more about, you know, those ratios.
So obviously, why is it important?
All right. So basically, as I said earlier on, it's a roadmap of your finances, but it's important so that you can have more money in your personal capacity. You'll be able to save. You'll be out of debt. You know what I'm saying? You'll have the things that you wanna have. So basically, a budget it's a long-term plan of your finances and setting goals. You know what I'm saying? So essentially, that's why it's important. It's important so that you can have a clear representation or a clear view of your expenditures. Yeah.
So what are some of the factors that can cause your budget not to work?
So one of the most important thing is discipline.
Okay.
So look, it's easy for us to have a clear roadmap of where we're going, right? Let's say, for example, we all want to take the whole crew of Uncensored to Durban, and we now say, okay, everyone's going to contribute 500 Rand every single month until December. This is how much we allocated for food and so forth. So that is essentially budgeting, right? But now, if, let's say, 2 months down the line in September, no one decides to contribute, is the plan going to be fruitful or not? Probably
It's
not. You know what I'm
Probably not,
saying?
yeah.
So discipline is number one. It's a clear thing. A lot of us, we say, no, budgeting doesn't work. Another thing is this whole folk tale to say that, no, I work hard, so I don't have to have a budget. You know, I want to buy what I want to buy. I want to spend. I want to go wherever I want to go. So, you know, and we see that a lot happening on social media nowadays. I saw another one with, you know, a person who was shopping with a calculator. Obviously, that person is working towards their budget. So they know if I go to Woolworths, I'm going to spend 5,000 Rand at Woolworths. Nah. So you'll go with the calculator. But now you'll get, you know, comments who say, I know, that's broke people's traits.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then us who are, you know, uneducated in terms of budgeting will follow that. Like, man, just pay. Uzobona phambili. You know, it's always the saying, uzobona phambili. But then guess what? 2 months down the line, we always kala, it's a Mampara week, it's all of this, you know. So hence why it's important to have a discipline and to have a goal and plan. Yeah.
So what are some of the ways I can discipline myself, or that can help towards building discipline?
Yeah.
Especially when it comes to finances.
All right. So number one, it's resources. So it's not always about working hard, right? Yes, you can work hard and earn the most amounts of money out there. But if you do not know how to be resourceful with your income, trust me, you're gonna be in credit. Like as I said in the 2 episodes ago, to say that there was a person who was earning 80,000 Rand, young person, but they 80% of the income was just debt. You know what I'm saying? No savings, nothing. So hence I say, be resourceful with your income. Number 2, set goals for yourself. If you know to say that, okay, I love to go on holiday, plan your holidays out. Okay, December, I need 10,000 Rand to go to Cape Town, for example. Okay, I need to put maybe $1,000 every single month towards that goal so that I can be fine, you know. So it doesn't hit November, I don't have money, now I must go to my credit card and take 10,000 Rand, you know, because I wanted to go to Cape Town in December. You know, it's setting goals, right? And also, it's managing your expenditure. So I say, a lot of the times we say, no, you only live once, you know. I need to spoil myself, you know. It's those things are the ones that actually put us in credit, you know. Those are the ones that put us, you know, in a bad space, you know. Set time, yes, you have to spoil yourself because you work hard, but put away money on a monthly basis and say, okay, this month I'm going to spend 1,000 Rand on myself, whether it's food, clothes, dinner, or Gold Reef City, whatever it is that, you know, tickles your fancies. Good to go, but put money away for that.
Okay, cool. So what is an effective money managing plan?
So an effective money management plan is essentially basically what you're saying, to say that, let me have this plan in mind, all right? But going back to the 30-20, like I like that ratio because like when I was doing the research, it actually stuck out to me. 50-30-20, 50-30-20. Characterize your expenditure in those compartments. So 50% goes to your most essential, important items. So that's your bond, your car, groceries, you know, things that you can't do without, okay? That's your 50%. 30%, hence I was saying, okay, it's look at things in terms of spoiling yourself, buying clothes for yourself and your family. 20% must go to savings for retirement, as well as to alleviate debt if you caught yourself in a bad spot. You know what I'm saying? So for me, an effective money management plan is just characterize your expenditure in the 50-30-20 rule, and then you'll be fine, man. Yeah.
And then also, I know there's also so another way for that 20%. So how do you feel? So I've heard a lot of people that say that 50%, 15% of your salary must go to investments. What's your take on that?
Yeah, no, that's a minimum.
So that's a minimum.
That's a minimum. The thing is, we don't save. Look, if I get paid 10,000 Rand, right? The first thing that I need to do Well, let me put it this way. When I first earn a salary, the first thing I need to do is learn how to save. And if I can learn how to save that 15%, it won't be harder when now I earn 30,000 Rand, 40,000 Rand, because I'll be so used to that, you know. When it increases, I also increase my contributions as well. So it's important for us to save that 15% because emergencies happen, you know, those dark days happen. So now if you don't have like an emergency pool in place, then guess what? Things are going to die out, you know. So save as much as you can. 15% is the benchmark. If you can't save 15%, I almost said 50%. If you can't save 15%, I'm a man.
No one can save you.
No one can save you.
Guys, thank you so much. Unfortunately, we have to go. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Don't forget, we are uncensored_ the truth about money. You can find us on Instagram as well as TikTok. We are uncensored_ financial edu. With that being said, we love you so much. See you on the next video. Cheers.